Alright, hi. Today we're going to talk about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, before we begin, I want you to picture it out in your head or in your mind, thinking of the roof or the building. In the world or in Thailand that you know, there comes in many different beautiful architectural buildings, sorry. You see, they are actually perfectly measured or perfectly or precisely measured, and amazingly how we know that this Pythagoras theorem is applied to do that. Okay, apart from that, if anybody has been to the mountains or the hills and you see the slopes or the steepness, you know, if you know this theorem, you can even calculate the steepness of that slopes of the hills, whether you should go to that distance or whether you should go or not. And you know, so it's very amazing how this theorem really is working in our daily life. All right, so this is why I'm telling you this first, so that you would know how you would apply this in your real life. Yeah, so that you know what you're studying now is important. All right, so I'm gonna start for the introduction, and I'm gonna go to the formula or to how we should do it. Okay. Alright, okay, so we're gonna look at my triangle, yeah? Alright, here, my triangle. Okay, this is what we're going to learn. So basically what you have to do or know first is the 90 degrees angle, which is here. You see, the one that goes straight up like that, like this and that. We call that 90 degrees. So this is the right angle, and it is 90 degrees. Now you know this is 90 degrees, and you put a little box here so that you would know later and identify more easier. And apart from that, the longest side you have to figure out, which is this side, yeah? It is called hypotenuse. You need to know that name or that term because you're going to be hearing about this so often after this. Alright, okay. Next, there are formula to it that you need to learn. Alright, I'm going to show you. Let's see. Alright, I apologize for the handwriting, but this is a square. So the formula here is a square plus b square equal to c square. So this is the formula that you're going to use to apply for this Pythagoras theorem.